How's it going, everybody? It's your boy JB and I'm back once again. Today we are looking at this phenomenon that seems to be hitting Instagram all over the place. 2-ingredient dough. Now I want to start off by saying one thing. I want to show you how to do it. It's really easy, but I've had really bad results with this so far, so I'm going to hopefully try and make some flatbreads today, which hopefully I'll be able to put onto the website at another date. The first time I made this dough, to be honest, I made a pizza base out of it. It stuck to my pizza stone. It wouldn't come off the pizza stone. The pizza was ruined. So I'm still a little bit skeptical, but we're going to give it a go one more time in case I got the recipe wrong. Let's see what happens next. Okay, first up is a cup of wholemeal flour. Next up is a cup of self-raising flour. And then a cup and a half of natural yogurt. Okay, so we're just going to mix it up and see what happens. I'm not sure there's enough yogurt really for that. It's meant to be a cup and a half, but as you can see, it doesn't look like it's actually bringing it together in any way. We'll keep on mixing it and see what happens. We may add a little bit more. Just depends, really. Yeah, we'll add a little bit more. So a cup and a half's probably wrong. And we may need to add an extra wee bit to it, so we'll do that now. Put that in there. Give it another mix. There we go. It's starting to come together now, which is nice. Okay, so my first thoughts are this quite sticky. Probably because I put the extra in it, but as you can see, it's not fully pulling up all of the flour yet. There's still flour left in there, as you can see here, so I'm going to try and clean the bowl down as much as possible with it. What it should be is tacky, but not, it shouldn't stick to your hand. See the way it's sticking to my hand there? That's not the way it should be, so we may add a little bit of additional flour on top once we finish kneading it, but as you can see, I have managed to get a decent little bit of dough. Still is very tacky though, is the only thing I would say about it at this particular point in time, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the dough, cut it in 4 and rolled out one of the quarters into a flatbread shape. I haven't put any oil in the pan. I want to try and cook it so that it becomes flatbread-ish whenever it is fully cooked. So we'll just let it go for about 5 minutes or so until it browns on the bottom, and then we'll flip it over and we'll see what it looks like. And there you go, you can see that brown crust perfectly on there. Seems that recipe seems to have worked as far as flatbreads are concerned. We'll continue on with the recipes though with the 2-ingredient dough just to see exactly what it's like.